So we're going to upgrade the spray booth today. We're going to put a new light in there because the natural light in here is not great. So we want to increase the ability to see what we're painting and lacquering. So we're going to go to the electricians now. We're going to get a light, a few fittings, and we'll do a time-lapse video of us installing that, and we'll show you the results after. So we've fitted the light. As you can see, it looks amazing. We're really happy with it. We were going to do some other modifications to the booth today. We were going to clean the filters, put some new ones of those in. We were going to paint it, put some tacky coat down. But the supplier only had the top filter. So we're going to leave that for now. We're going to get on with the work. And once we've got the bottom filter, we're going to do the step 2 of the modifications to the booth. So keep watching. Watch how we progress the booth build over the next week or two. And thanks for watching.